Om Jnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalaka Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
So that chanting that comes from the heart and it proceeds towards the tip of the tongue. Then in the form of sound, it dances on the tongue incessantly. The Prabhupada described that chanting Hare Krishna means Krishna is dancing on your tongue. Now if one is actually chanting in purity, certain effects will follow, which Bhaktivinoda Thakur describes. These symptoms are not to be imitated, but they are to be aspired for. Kante ma bhangesha anga kape thar thar ste hoite na pare charan. He says that my voice falters and my body trembles violently and I cannot keep my legs still. This Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also described when he was criticized by the Mayavadi sannyasis. Why are you dancing? Sannyasis are not supposed to dance. The Mayavadi sannyasis criticized him that sannyasis are supposed to be very grave people, not dancing. Dancing is for very low class people. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, I'm sorry, but I can't help dancing. I can't control myself. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, speaking to the Mayavadi sannyasis, that you are telling me that I should study Vedanta and not dance. But my spiritual master told me that I was a fool and I'm not fit to study Vedanta. And that better you chant Hare Krishna, my spiritual master told me. Because that chanting is the essence of the Vedanta Sutra. And when I chant, I automatically dance. I can't stop myself. So sorry. So let me see one who is actually advanced. He likes to dance. Dancing means dancing for the pleasure of Krishna. Chake dhara, dehe dharma, pulakito shabha charma, vivarana hoilo koleba. He says that the tears come from the eyes in a stream. Perspiration comes from the body. Hairs of the body stand on end, and the whole body becomes pale and colorless. Murchito hoilaman, pralaya agaman, bhave sarva deha jor jor. He says that the mind becomes like fainted, and it seems that total devastation is coming. This is called Ashta Shaktik Vikar. This is described in Chaitanya Charitamrita. The symptoms of extremely exalted devotees. These are often described in Chaitanya Charitamrita and other Gauriya Vaishnava literatures. Especially since the time of Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, and we also saw that in Srila Prabhupada, advanced devotees have been very, very careful not to show these symptoms very freely. Because there is a great tendency for cheating people to imitate such symptoms and gain respect for others as advanced devotees. Then another symptom, bhave sarva deha jor jor. And that by all these emotions, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, my whole body feels